Hi, I'm Dave Trull with the Trull Gallery, a custom furniture shop in St. Petersburg, Florida. And I'm going to talk to you today about different types of wood chisels. The most common wood chisel is a standard bench chisel like this one here. The length may vary. Some come shorter, generally not much longer. Flat back and an angled face. And this is a very common tool. As a rule, used with a mallet, can be used with a hammer, but mallets are a little bit gentler on the handles. The other type of chisel that's very similar to this is a mortising chisel. The biggest difference with a mortising chisel is the sides aren't tapered as much as this is, and sometimes they're offset to allow you to get in deeper, specific areas. Another type of chisel that some of you may be familiar with is a carving chisel. This happens to be a gouge. These come in various sizes, shapes, and curves. They can be pointed, V-grooves, all kinds of different shapes for carving. Not as common as the bench chisel. And again, a bench chisel is what you're going to see most often, and you can get them anywhere from your local hardware store to high-end tool dealers. Again, in a nutshell, that's different wood chisels that are available. I'm Dave Trull with the Trull Gallery, the fine art of furniture making.